These are the Lambretta rear shock absorber bushes. Let us have a look. This is the Lambretta shock absorber. The company is Escorts Yamaha. Very nice company. When you have a look, see the shock absorber. This is the body part. Top will be secured to the chassis stud, and when you have a close look, the bottom one will have stud on the engine. We will see that. So this is the shock absorber which will be fitted like this. It is very simple operation. It will, when you go through the humps, the spring will get compressed. So that is the main function of the shock absorber. By the name itself is shock absorber. It will take the shock produced by the Lambretta scooter. Now we will have a look of this further, and you can have a look of expansion chamber also. I am doing some research on this. It is almost going to be finished. This is the different material. It is made with the Japan sheet. So this is the Lambretta scooter which I am having. So I am doing some work on this. It is for the general information. This is the V-force rear wall. I am taking some trials on this. Lambretta engine casing, and this is the bench vise, and this is the oil. So basically how they look like. This is the general information which is useful for the Lambretta lovers, those who are going to fit the Lambretta rear shock absorber. This is from DP Singh, New Delhi to BK Ramesh. Let us have a look how they look like. They look like this. So this is the rubber bushing, and this one more bushing. It will go through inside this. So for example, this is the Lambretta shock absorber. It will be fitted. That's the Lambretta engine casing. So it will go and it will be fitted like this. So in between there will be a bush like this. First it will go on top of that. The bushing will go like this. It is press fitted. You have to put the oil and then press fit. For that you can use the vise. This is the vise. All these are how to install the procedure I am telling. This video is basically to show the parts of Lambretta shock absorber. So when you press it, it will compress it. See how it is getting compressed like this. When it comes from this side, then you have to place this inside, and again you have to press fit. There should not be any slack in the, see like this, see it is going. That's what for that I said you have to put oil like this. This is the oil gun. Just put slightly oil, lightly, just lightly, and you can press fit it. See it is going inside. Like that. Like that. It is going. Once it is over, it will go like this, and it will be machined lightly, very slightly. And don't do anything on this. If you do anything on this, it will be spoiled, and the strength of this stud will be reduced. So that will be very dangerous while riding. So please keep it in mind. So like that. For example, I am showing. Actually, I wanted to show the only bushings, but I said the procedure also. I hope this YouTube video is useful, helpful, and informative. Let us meet again.